right, so this is effectively the 45th episode of Financial Independence Retire Early, probably the 68th video. And somebody's like, yeah, Bird, I hear talk about this BRICS thing, but I have no idea what you're talking about, man. I don't really understand what you mean when you say financial independence, and I'm having a tough time approaching financial literacy. So yeah, that kind of motivated me to do this video, which is a reintroduction. Also, it's about 3 years into this channel, so I think an update, a refresh, or reintroduction is definitely on the books. So on this 45th episode, this is not financial independence. I mean, this is not financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. What I am is an investor, an entrepreneur, and I share what I think I know, what I think I understand, in hopes that other people will share with me what they think they know, what they think they understand in the comments. So share, subscribe, like, and definitely comment. Let me know what you think, and so on and so forth. So yeah, financial independence, retire early, financial literacy. Wagwan. Um, I think financial independence means different things to different people. I think it means a different thing to every individual person. So I'm just gonna again go about it from my understanding. So when I talk about financial independence, I talk about being in a space or a time where I do not have to work for money, right? So people who are homeless. Some people who are homeless consider themselves financially independent because they don't have to work for money, and they get what they need in their life. But generally, for a lot of people, it's about getting to a space in your life where you live the lifestyle that you want, right? You have the house that you want, you have the car that you want, you travel where you want, you have the partner that you want, yet you don't necessarily have to work for money. There are some people who are financially independent and still work because they love what they do. They probably mention any billionaire who doesn't have to work but still continues to work. But there are other people, they don't have to be billionaires. They can just have $1 million, $10 million, and they feel like, okay, this is enough. I'm living the life that I want to live. I have enough investments, I have enough savings, I maybe own a business that I don't work in but is still functional, and the money that I get from my savings, from my investments, from my business every year is enough to cover my lifestyle, so I don't have to work. Therefore, I'm financially independent. So for someone like me, it means building up a business or getting a job, and then learning how to invest, learning how to save, learning how to grow my money. So instead of working for money, have that money work for me, right? To there people can do the math, right? There's some people that say, okay, I need 40,000 rands a month, so that's 4% of what 1 million rands. So I need to have 1 million rand in active assets producing 4% every month, and that's how much I need to survive. So you can even calculate it that much. So for me, again, it means building up a business or getting a job and getting to a point where I either sell my business or I hire someone else, but I'm still getting, dividends from the business or dividends from my investments that pay for the lifestyle that I want without me having to go to work any day or every day. That is ultimately financial independence. But again, you don't have to even have to be a millionaire. You can still live a small lifestyle, in a farm, in a village somewhere, but you make enough money to not to have to work for your basic necessities and for things that make you happy, right? In the lifestyle that you feel you want and deserve. So that is the core understanding and the core practice of financial independence. Do I live a life and a lifestyle that I want, that I feel like I deserve, that I've earned, yet I don't have to go and work for that life? I don't live to work, or I don't work to man, look. You get what I'm trying to say, right? But yes, that is the core tenet, that is the core functioning, that is the core understanding of financial independence. I am free, I'm financially independent. I make enough money from my savings, from my investments, from my businesses, from my properties, from my assets, from my farms, from whatever it is, from my crypto, from my whatever it is, from my forex, however it is you make your money, but you don't have to work for that money every day. That money just comes in mostly passively. Okay? Um, and then that is where financial literacy comes in, right? You need to understand money enough. You need to understand how to work for money, but you also need to understand how to make your money work for you, right? That is the financial literacy. Once you make your money work for you, once you're financially literate, even if you have a job, you can, be like, oh, okay, I need to only survive over 50% of my income while I, invest 30% and save 20, right? That is a function of how you are financially literate enough and financially savvy enough, to practice, to use your money in a way where you're preparing for a future where you don't have to work. You know what I'm saying? That is like what financial literacy actually means, right? That you are making your money work for you. You do not depend on your job for money. You live a life and you live a lifestyle, and you understand savings, you understand investments, you understand businesses, you understand dividends, you understand properties, you understand farming, whatever it is that you do, right? And you use that money effectively and efficiently enough so that you can get to a point where you do not depend on the job for your survival. That is ultimately what financial literacy means. So this channel, what I do, because I'm an entrepreneur and I'm an investor, I talk about business opportunities and investment opportunities that can help people create income, jobs, or invest, or start businesses at up to a point where then they can become financially independent or financially free. And for me, um, understanding how the stock market works, understanding how crypto works, understanding how bricks works, and just building my business is how I'm uh, developing and evolving my financial literacy so I can get to a point of being financially independent. All right. So I hope that that's what this channel also helps you do, right? It helps you understand money, business, global microeconomics to a point where you can protect yourself, protect your money, protect your business, look for opportunities, find opportunities, create opportunities, right? For yourself, for your lovers, for your family. Your lovers just mean the people that you love, friends, family, and so forth, right? Your community, right? You're creating opportunities for yourself and for your community. And all of you can get to a point where you are at some level both financially literate and financial independent. All right. I hope that almost kind of breaks it down. Right. Yeah, nice, quick and short, 7 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Share this with your friends and family who also are trying to understand financial literacy so that they can achieve financial independence. This is a group effort. This is a contact sport. Okay, and this is a team sport, right? This you can't do this as a one-man army. You can't. You can't. But yeah, so share this with people that you feel like will gain value from this information. Or they do it. Bye.